Blue Whale,
la ballena.
time
Si te
for
equivocas,
story
te mojas.
time. The Animal Choir. Animal Choir. Everyone get I'm used to enough. I knew where shares our practice for choir inside the this is permanent for the stint where everyone's been numbered this one. You are amazing today. There's our work together. Let's sign up to everybody's what's more bigger sports. Everybody's enjoy everyone. I'm experiencing in the war everyone. Today's for every sport. Everyone today. See. That's what we want. Today was an on today. I get the big we want. Labyrinth mixing. Horse.
Thank you! I'm so happy to know that I am not just the tallest animal in Savannah, but in the whole wide world!
What sympathy? Don't worry, bigger, some bigger, I'm better, round bear. Big. On the lion, on the zoo. Roar, roar! Today's singers, everyone to is more donkey today. Duck and the donkey. I feel sadly. Can you see that my face? Blue, red, pink, brown, green, trolls. Next category singer one today is a match for me. Rabbit. Woo-hoo.
Thank you! You might think I'm a flying squirrel or a bird, but I am a carnivorous dinosaur!
Dolphin.
Thank you! I may not be the largest, but I am definitely the tallest dinosaur.
Sloth.
Thank you! Don't be scared, anybody! I won't be hunting anyone tonight!
Seal and the cow. Woo-hoo.
Swimmer than Spinosaurus! That's true, but you are not a dinosaur. You are a marine reptile. Thank you.
Blue whale.
Thank you. I would like to thank Blue Whale for always being a great rival in the sea. Thank you, Blue Whale.
Chicken.
Thank you. I would like to thank my long, slender legs. And I would also like to thank my light bones to help me run even faster. Congratulations, Gallimimus.
The Animal Choir song. Here's the Bucks Memories, wonderful comic book.
Joyce the Harbinger.